Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Connecteam for tracking employee hours for tax compliance, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Connecteam website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. After completing the registration form, click on the Create Account option. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Check your email for the confirmation message from Connecteam. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Upon verification, log in to your newly created Connecteam account. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your company profile. Enter your company's name and relevant information. Next, you will need to customize your workspace settings. Choose the time tracking settings that fit your business needs. Once you've configured your settings, navigate to the Employees section. Here, you can add your employees by entering their names and email addresses. After adding employees, send them invitations to join the Connecteam platform. Wait for your employees to accept the invitations and set up their accounts. Once they join, you can assign roles and permissions relevant to each employee. Next, go to the time tracking feature in the main dashboard. Set up the tracking options that apply to your team's workflow. You can choose between clocking in and out or manual time entries. Once configured, ensure that your employees are trained on how to use the time tracking features. Encourage them to regularly log their hours for accuracy. Now, navigate to the Reports section of the platform. Here, you'll be able to generate reports on employee hours and activities. Use these reports for tax compliance and payroll purposes. Regularly check the reports to ensure that all hours are accurately recorded. Maintain open communication with your employees regarding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.